Hi and welcome to the complete WordPress website developer course. In this video, I am going to give you a very quick overview of what you are going to learn in this course. So in this course, we will start with the very basic. We will talk about what is WordPress and what are the common features which we'll be using and who is using WordPress and why should you use WordPress. After the basic introduction, we will talk about how you can set up WordPress on your machine. We'll talk about what is a local host, how to install XAMPP localhost, how to install WordPress, and then we will do the cleanup. After setting up WordPress, we will do the content creation. We'll talk about how to add a post, how to handle normal image. We will talk about the difference between featured image and normal image. We will talk about how we can work with categories, tags, images, how we can manage comments, and how we can add a new page. After all of that, I am going to give you an assignment so that you can learn by practicing. Okay, and after that we will jump into the setting. We will talk about all kinds of setting that will help you in managing your website. After that, we'll talk about user management, how you can customize your user profile and how you can add new user, and we'll talk about different user roles and what are their powers, what can these user with different roles can do. Alright, after that we will talk about plugins and how we can add extra new features in WordPress using these plugins. After that we will jump into the theme. We will talk about how we can change the design of our WordPress website using these themes. After that we'll talk about how we can create a menu, and then we will work with widgets. After that we'll just finish up our website. We'll talk about this theme option which are just specific for that particular theme, so we'll cover that as well. And after this section our basics will be complete. After that we will jump into some real stuff. We'll talk about how you can set up domain and how you can get hosting. We'll talk about how to register a domain name, how to get web hosting, because if you want your website to be on the internet, then you will have to learn about domain name and you will have to learn about hosting, and you need to learn how to manage both of them. So we'll talk about that as well in this course. And then we will talk about how you can install WordPress on your online server. So we are going to cover that too in this course. After that, we have built a website on our local machine. So we'll talk about how you can migrate your local WordPress website into the live server, which we bought in the previous section. So in this setting up domain and hosting section. Okay, so after this our WordPress fundamentals will be complete. You will have complete knowledge of how WordPress website works, what are the different options. You will have absolute control over the WordPress website. But wait, there is more. A lot of students in the comment section, in the discussion section, and in personal messages asked me to build a new section to cover the Elementor page builder. And the best thing about this course is that I listened to all of your requests, and I did just that. I added an entire section to cover those page builders. So we are going to talk about how you can build a business website using an available template, using an available theme, and using the most popular Elementor page builder. So we are going to learn that too in this course. So this is the complete curriculum, and this is not the end. If you have any request, if you want me to cover new topic, just like I listened to students who wanted to learn to build a business website using Elementor, I will listen to your request if you leave them in the discussion section below, or if you leave them in my DM. I will listen to those requests and I will create new section for that. So this is the course, and I hope you learn a lot. If you have any question, just leave them in the discussion section. If you have any request, again leave them in the discussion section. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.